sorry.
Oh,
Wait. Blake, don't hit. Brother's right there.
Go, rip it.
I'm sexy and whoa!
Matthew.
Daddy's filming. Shush.
Come on.
Nice.
Good job. Hit another one.
Almost.
Whoa, when I'm stepping in the grass, it goes right there.
Yeah,
Almost.
why don't you come this way a little bit more, buddy? Good job. Because it's squishy. Those are the only shoes you have right now.
Good job.
Almost.
Nice hit. Good job. Whoop.
Nice.
Good job. Set it up again. Whoa. You got to not put your baseballs where you're trying to walk.
Nice.
Good job. Good rip.
Okay, he's going to whack you. Come this way.
Whoop. It's all right. You bonked yourself. Good job. Nice work, buddy.